His mind, brilliant mind, understood the meaning of the gospel, understood the call of the gospel. His will, resolute to fulfill what he felt was his call, what he heard was his call. His will, resolute to overcome all obstacles. A heart full of love for God and man. A mind full of understanding for the gospel and its message. A will resolute to follow what he was heard. And it is all these, this heart, this mind, this will was enshrined in that mortal body which you and I have come to pay respects to pay respects to this mortal remains of Francis Xavier, died for over 400 years ago, and we still have his mortal remains, so very impressive, through a miraculous intervention of God. Francis gave us the faith, gave you and me the faith. We've come to thank him for this. You have come, I have come for the same thing, because he gave you and me the most precious gift we have, the knowledge of Jesus, access to the sacraments, the continuation of Jesus, the Eucharist, belongingness to the church, the family of Jesus, the guidance of the church's authorities, helping us how to understand what Jesus was. This is what Francis gave us, for which we are grateful, and so we come over here from far and near to pay tribute to this wonderful person, wonderful individual, this wonderful saint who gave Jesus to us.